Hey loves, Lexie here. I'm doing a review on the Blockbuster movie Cargo palette today, and this is the look I came up for the purple section of the palette. If you really like this look, then keep watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button before you leave. Let's get into the video. Alright, we are back and I am starting a series. This is going to be pretty cool, and don't worry, I will put all the 4 videos that will be going into this little series into a playlist and you can watch them all. I also will link this below. Our series is going to be off of the Cargo Cosmetics Blockbuster eyeshadow palette. It is a beautiful, beautiful palette. I got this for Christmas and there's a bunch of different shades in here, but there's also 4 different looks. There's blue, purple, like a green tone here, and then your rusty tones here. So today we are going to be doing a purple one. So let's get into that. First I'm going to go ahead and swatch these shades that are for the purple side. So none of them have names, but they all have numbers because the back tells you what to do with those certain numbers. They say, oh yeah, like with this part you should use these, and with this part you should use these, and this is the definer. So it's just basic. I'm going to go ahead and swatch the base shades. We have 5 white base shades here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these are all just supposed to go with the purple eye or the rusty eye. Next, I'm going to swatch the transition shades. We have 4 transition shades here, which work great on your crease and add a nice little base. Next, I'm going to swatch the color shades. So these 4 are your colors to use for this side, and that is your defining shade. So those are all the shades we're working with today to create a purple eye. I will do a blue next, and then a rust eye, and then a green eye. So I haven't done any type of work with this yet, so this is kind of just play around with the colors and see what happens today. So I'm going to go ahead and do it on one eye and then come back and show you how I did it on the other. So this purple smoky eye is what I came up with for the look. If you really like this, then keep watching because we're about to do it on the other eye. So first we're going to go in. So first you're going to go in with a very fluffy blending brush, and you're going to go into this shade right here, E3. And you're going to blend that all over your crease. Well, you're going to blend that all over the eye. Next, you're going to go into the shade D4 and mix it a little bit with the D3. And we're going to blend that into our crease area. Next, we're going to go into the shade C2, which is this nice little violet shade right here. Same brush, just pick a little bit up and start blending that into our crease. This is when we start to pull in that purple shade. Going in with a smaller eyeshadow brush, we're going to go in, oh, that's the big one. Going in with a smaller eyeshadow brush like this, we're going to go into the shade right next to it, C3, which is this dark violet here. I'm going to start blending that into the crease as well. Going into the shade above it, B1, which is right by my thumb, you're going to take that and go along the outer corner. Next, you're going to go in with your finger into the white shade E2 right here, swatch it, and put it on your inner corner. Next, you're going to want to go back to that smaller brush, go back into the shade B1, and blend the outer edges of the shadow you just put down. Just like so. Then you're going to want to go back into C2, and you're going to want to blend that into that crease again to bring back some more lighter purple. And then apply one more small little pat of our highlight shade. That is the eyes. Now we're going to take a fluffy blending brush and just blend everything together just like so. Go ahead and do the same to the other side. Alright, next we're going to go in with a smaller brush and go into that C2 shade. Put that on the lower lash line. Then we're going to go into the B1 shade above that and go over that. So that is the finished look. I didn't create a faux wing. I tried to create a little bit of faux wing, but I made a mistake and had to like redo most of this eye. So I'm sorry if it doesn't look exactly the same as the other eye. It's just having a bad day. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara and I will be right back. Okay, so this is just the finished look that I came up with. I put on some clear gloss and some mascara. If you do like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Today I do not have any subscriber shoutouts, I'm sorry. But I got a couple last night, but I haven't checked them out yet. So I'm going to check them out and then they'll be featured in the next videos. So thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much and goodbye.